Hey everybody, I just did something really dumb. I just avoided a catastrophe because when the market is squeezing against you, it can squeeze so much higher than you think. Focusing on this 5-minute noise, this is what gets me into so much trouble because I'm like, ended up being down like $400 at one point. And yeah, this is a lesson. Do not go for mean reversion trades when it's rapidly rising. Hey everybody, I just did something really fucking dumb, and I just wanted to document it on camera as a learning experience. So, this started going way past the Keltner channel in the moving average, so I did a mean reversion buy. Probably should start getting out actually of my stupid position here. But yeah, I just did something really fucking dumb. Like I just started buying or sorry, I started selling like crazy just cuz it was mean reverting and I think I like lost a bunch of my progress unfortunately. Um Let me just buy back. Um yeah, I'm just going to get out and have it be a all right, 895. So I just avoided a catastrophe basically. Um, and this is probably going to go lower, but I started recording and I just wanted to have this go away because when the market is squeezing against you, it can squeeze so much higher than you think. Focusing on this 5-minute noise, this is what gets me into so much trouble because I'm like, I enter here, it's important, but at the end of the day, this is the level that really matters. The hourly. And we had been consolidating here in this range since October 17th. It finally broke out to the upside, and boy, did that squeeze. So, I got really. I mean, this just squeezed up so much higher than I thought. I thought selling here, it was for sure gonna go lower. So I actually sold my. I sold my. I took away my stop loss, which is ridiculous. This is where my stop loss was. I took lots of screenshots. I got rid of it. Ended up being down like $400 at one point. I added a ninth contract and was down 400. So it was just very risky, very stupid to go against without a stop loss against a rapidly rising market. I almost cooked myself. And yeah, I'm lucky to be out without severely hurting my account. And yeah, now this is probably going to go lower and I could have made more money, but I did something really stupid and I had a chance to stop hurting myself. And I've been on the other side of this before. I've destroyed many small accounts fading a rapidly moving market. And I just want to like make this emergency video just to paint the important picture or not paint the picture, but showcase on camera a horrible mistake so people can learn from me and so my future self can learn from me so I don't repeat this mistake again. Because my god, if I started getting long around here around this cup and handle, I thought, oh, I shouldn't get long here because it's already high relative to what the market has done today. It's near the top of the range. We're in no man's land, but my god, this thing squeezed up so high, and I could have had a really nice profit had I just got long here, but instead I did this crazy trading here. And yeah, look, now we're getting the mean reversion that I had anticipated, and this would have been a really nice profit had I just held and not sold out here. But look at my trading performance on the day. We're in a very good position. I didn't want to mess up with that and risk hurting it anymore. It was the right thing to do to get out. even though I had like the emotions of FOMO, regret of missing out, are hitting me because of this, I can be confident that this was the right decision. And I just should have said, okay, I just missed out. I missed out. It's going higher without me. Shit happens. My God, this has squeezed so much today. Wow. This was like a great trade to capture here. Like one of my biggest wins in a very long time. Um, but there was so many more opportunities today to get long. Bar 36, bar 39, and then this whole area here. I just thought this was too high, so it shouldn't be traded. But that's just back to my main point why I made this. It's been consolidating, and these key level moves. That's what really matters at the end of the day, is what happens at these key levels here. I mean, this level on the hourly, let's find it. This level here. So my solid lines are prior day high, prior day close, and prior day low. And the dotted lines are just other key levels I've identified. So we're rejected off this level quite a bit, pushed down way below it, and it kept trying to claim that level. Last Friday, it just hovered around here for a lot of the day. Rejected yesterday, retested. The more times a level gets tested, the more it's likely to accept. And that's exactly what happened today. We reached this level, we ranged around it for a bit. It looked like we were rejecting. We pushed down to the rising moving average, and we just unloaded and went much higher. So yeah, I'm glad I could capture this really horrible mistake on camera. I'm really glad I didn't like crush and destroy a lot of my great earnings. But I almost did. I mean, let's see, where did I get out? 700. So I had I could have got like $300 more out of this, but whatever. But yeah, I was up like all day. I've just kind of been around since that first great trade. I started at up 762. Now we're at 895. So we're at the highest we've been, and we just need to leave it there because I almost took it from up 850 down to, who knows, 200, 300. I almost deleted my earnings because I was a dumbass and was going for a mean reversion trade, focusing on the 5-minute noise. We can't focus on the 5-minute noise. We gotta focus on the hourly levels. And this hammer up bar looks like it's setting up for a big move up. I should have got long round here. Even though it looked high, I should have said, okay, this looks primed and ready to go up. And I should have just focused on that cup and handle, this little flag pattern here. Bar 46, I should have got long. Let's see what it would have looked like on ES. So I would have got filled on bar 46, bar 47, and it could have rode from 85. Just up to here would have been fire. I mean, that could have been, an extra 500 to $1,000 if I just got long here on that cup and handle. And yeah, this is a lesson. Do not go for mean reversion trades when it's rapidly rising. Do not go for mean reversion trades when it's rapidly rising. It is a horrible mistake. So, yep, I'm going to end the video here. Keep it short. Very stressful 11:50 to very stressful 20 minutes. But yeah, I'm happy that it turned out okay. Let's look how many contracts that was. When did I start buying these? Yeah, right here. Yeah, man, that was sketch, but very lucky, very lucky. I got caught up in the emotions. I got caught up with some winner's tilt, some house money effect. I was like, oh, it's rising. I can afford a loss. And I kept adding and adding. And by the time I was up here, like half my earnings for the day were gone. And it's only 40 points. This thing, we look at the hourly, it broke this level. The obvious next level was up here. So this thing could have run another 60 points to this next key level. And I would have been so effed. I mean, I would have like felt such shame and sadness that my win was gone. But I'm hoping that I can learn from this mistake. I'm hoping that other people can learn from this mistake. I'm hoping I never do this again. The way to never do this again is to just be more quantifiable and never fade a rapidly moving market, especially coming out of consolidation on the hourly like this when we're slowly drifting up. The market goes between consolidation and mean reversion, and my God, what a squeeze up. 150 points from 1040 to 12. So an hour and 20 minutes. Wish I got long here, but I couldn't. I was away. I was off screen. When I came back, we were up here, and I thought I missed the opportunity, but not at all. When it goes up and it accepts the level like this, and it doesn't really come down at all, that's how you know it's time to get long. And you could have got long bar 45, 46, 47, 48, and then it really pushes up. And yeah, you just could have trailed stop losses, or I mean, probably got out at prior day high. Because the moves on the big level, they look crazy down here with the Keltner channel and whatnot, but it does not matter what it looks like down here. The more from these last 3 days of making mistakes, I've had 3 days where I lost recently in a row after my two longest win streaks back to back, and I'm having my first profitable October. The big thing I've learned is like this 5-minute noise. It really trips you up. Like you gotta just stay focused on this hourly level, and the 15-minute too. I mean, the 15-minute is still pretty close to this 5, but it does let you see a much bigger picture and see it more clearly. So focus on the hour, focus on the 15-minute. Thank God there were sellers above this key level to push it back down and save my ass. And I'm glad I got this on camera. So that's it. That's the stressful moment. I might make another video today. I might not, but I appreciate you watching, and yeah, I'll see you at the next video. Peace.